Last week we reported on a very serious mining situation in China, and now we have an update. Stay tuned, and we'll get to that in just a moment. Welcome back, guys, to the Independent Experience. I'm IndyXP Bullion, and this is the Morning Market Wake-Up Call for Tuesday, January 26th, 2021. I hope everybody had a great Monday. Let's go ahead and take a look at the markets and see where we're going to be starting today off at. Gold is steady, currently at $1862.71. Silver is up ever so slightly at $25.55, giving us a ratio of 72.91. Platinum is down slightly, currently at $1,103.99. Palladium also down slightly at $23.51.54. And rhodium is down, currently at $18,000. Base metals have not seen much movement over the last 24 hours. Copper is at $3.59, nickel is at $8.21, aluminum at 91 cents, zinc at $1.20, and lead is at 92 cents. Barrels of crude oil did push up yesterday. Currently, they are at $53.03 a barrel. We had a mixed day on Wall Street yesterday. The Dow Jones was down 36 points, closing out at 30,960 even. The NASDAQ was up 92 points at 13,635.99, and the S&P 500 was also up 13 points at 3855.36. The U.S. dollar index is holding steady. It is down slightly, currently at 90.32. If you guys trade in Bitcoin, we are starting to see a slide. Yesterday, we thought maybe we were starting to see a rally, but from the time of that video, it just continued to go down. So my apologies to you guys. Bitcoin is down currently at 31,652.97. And if you happen to trade the gold back today, whether that be the Utah or the Nevadan, those are down a penny at $3.24. As I said in the beginning of the video, we did have an update from a very serious situation that happened in China a couple weeks ago. There was a mine explosion, and there were a couple dozen miners that were trapped. This comes to us off the wire from Reuters, titled 10 Chinese Gold Miners Confirmed Dead After Others Rescued, One Still Missing. Rescuers searching for the remaining workers trapped in a Chinese gold mine after Sunday's dramatic extraction of 11 survivors found 9 bodies, a local official said on Monday, making the death toll at up to 10, with 1 miner still missing. A total of 22 miners working about 600 meters or 2,000 feet underground were trapped after an explosion at the Hushan mine in Jiaxia, a major gold-producing region in China's coastal Shandong province, on January 10th. 11 were pulled out alive on Sunday after 2 weeks underground, including 1 in very weak condition whom rescue teams had been unable to send supplies to. Yanchai Mayor Chen Fei said rescuers kept searching on Sunday to Monday afternoon and found the bodies of 9 miners, state broadcast CCTV reported. That means a total of 10 miners are confirmed to have died following the earlier death in the mine of 1 worker who had lapsed into a coma, and their remains had been lifted to the surface, Chen said, adding that 1 miner was still missing. The search is difficult and water levels are high, but as long as the missing worker has not been found, the work will not stop, the CCTV report added. 11 miners freed on Sunday were rescued much earlier than expected after it emerged that steel pipes in a blocked mine shaft had prevented debris from falling lower, according to state media. The air ventilation shaft, which was the most feasible way to bring up the workers, had been cleared to a depth of 368 meters, Zhao Wenru, chief engineer of the mine rescue, told the Zhenghao news agency on Monday. Quote, It is at this location we discovered that there were steel pipes supporting the blockage. There was almost no blockage under the steel pipes, said Zhao. Zhao told Xinhua on Sunday that there had been a breakthrough in rescue efforts after clearing some blockages and finding the cavities underneath. The 11 miners were mostly in good condition. Officials had earlier said that they would have to wait another 15 days before they could be rescued due to the blockage along their intended escape route. China's mines are among the world's deadliest, and the country recorded 573 mine-related deaths in 2020, according to the National Mine Safety Administration. So, there we have it. They were able to rescue about half of those trapped underground. It's unfortunate that they were unable to rescue the other half, and they are continuing efforts to find the last lost miner. We talk about this a lot on this channel. It's, we buy and sell and stack silver and gold with little regard for who's actually pulling it out of the ground. It is a very, very dangerous job. We see, shows like Gold Rush and Bering Sea Gold Miner, on the History Channel and the Discovery Channel, and it looks like fun. We pan for gold in the comforts of our living rooms with pay dirt and in streams and creeks, and it looks like a lot of fun, but there's a dirty underside to that, and that's where the majority of the gold comes from, are from these really dangerous mines. And I think about that every time I hold gold and silver. It's a dangerous racket, and there's people out there that pay the ultimate price for getting that gold out of the ground so we can have it. So, all right, guys, I do greatly appreciate every single one of you, and if you happen to appreciate old IndieXP Bullion, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button right there for me. It helps me out immensely. Why didn't someone tell me I had a bat in the cave? Oh boy. It's just all over the place. There it goes. All right. If you guys happen to be new to the independent experience and you want to see more stuff up in my nose, make sure you hit that subscribe and jingle bell right there in the corner, bing bong, so you can stay notified of when the new content comes out. Of course, we're going to pop the box up over on this side of the screen. That's going to be the gateway to the back catalog of videos. You can start watching those at your heart's content at the end of this one. Guys, I have been IndieXP Bullion from the Independent Experience, and I'm here again to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find your pockets heavy.